welcome back to MJ Food Jam. Today I'm so excited to share with you my first Japanese Indian fusion recipe. So let's make Paneer Bhurji Japanese style. Let's go through the ingredients. We need 250 grams of paneer, 5 to 6 shiitake mushrooms, 1 medium-sized carrot, some snow peas, 1 green chilli, 3 grams of shiitake dashi powder mixed with 2 tablespoons of hot water, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, also known as cooking rice wine, salt to taste, spring onions, black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil for cooking. Most of the cooking will be done on high flame. Let's heat up the sesame oil in the frying pan. When the oil is hot, add the carrots and saute for 1 minute. Next, add the shiitake mushrooms and saute for another minute. Then add the snow peas and green chili and saute for another 30 seconds. Now it's time to add the paneer. At this point, reduce the flame to medium-low and saute for 30 seconds. Add the dashi and mix well. Then add mirin, sugar, saute it for a few seconds. Then add soy sauce. Add salt to taste. Season with black pepper and give it a stir. Take the pan off the heat. And with that, our Japanese style Paneer Bhurji is ready to serve. So there we go, we have our Japanese style Paneer Bhurji. This goes great with Japanese rice, but you can also try this with roti. This is a great dish for people who like less spicy food. So do try this recipe at home and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more unique recipes.